Damn. Sorry. I just got in the house. Oh, finally sit my ass down. So I'm using this little microphone. 1 2 1 2. Mic check. So we are starting a series today. It is called Becoming a Better You. Welcome. I'm Kesh and we're gonna name this episode I'm so proud of you. I am. I'm so proud of you. I am so proud of you for taking the first step to wanting to start your healing journey because it's not an easy thing. Girl, I've been there. It is not easy. It is not easy, but it is so necessary. It is so necessary. It is so necessary. Like, if you really want to change your life, you want to change your circumstances, you want to change just the scope of things, your outlook on things, you got to start with you. You got to heal. You got to heal. And I'm telling you right now, this shit is hard. Ain't shit easy about this. There's nothing easy about facing trauma. There's nothing easy about facing things that you have buried, suppressed. You may not even realize it's coming out in different ways. And there will be no more suffering in silence from you. No, absolutely not. I won't allow it. I won't let you. No, because I'm here to help you. So yeah, let's discuss. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I'm tired, but fuck it, we will. Um, that first part of the video, that was a little test run because I was trying to see like how level my camera was, but I'm gonna leave it in there. Fuck it. I just realized I didn't have my light on, so but it was raw. I like it, so it's staying. Um, I have to work on that shit. Word, I do. I hope I'm not all oily. I'm an oily girl, but not go. This we're gonna call this. I'm so proud of you. And the reason why I'm so proud of you is because you are taking the first step in your healing journey. And the first step is admitting that you need to heal. Um, and that's big. That's big. That's accountability. A lot of people they don't have that they don't have that in them. Accountability. Like, so the fact that you know you need to heal from some things and you actually want to, I am very proud of you because that is very big. Do not think that is something minor because there's some people who literally think there's nothing wrong with them. So clap it up for yourself. Give yourself a pat on the back because the fact that you know like some things need to change in order to get to where you really want to be, and you know it involves like inner work, that's a big deal. That's a big deal. So I'm proud of you. This couch is so comfortable. Let me sit up. Let me sit up. Let me sit up. Look presentable because I could fall asleep right here. But yes, and you should be proud of yourself. You should be proud of yourself. Like I said, it's a very big step, and you headed in the right direction. Sometimes we don't really know that we're hurting. And like I said previously, it comes out in other ways. I know with me, I used to be very angry. I used to be very angry, very short temper, very violent, very violent. And I was like, I think around the time I had my daughter, probably like after I had my daughter, I kind of like started, I didn't realize I was starting like a healing journey, but I was because I was questioning certain things about myself. Yo, why I get aggravated so fucking quick? Like, why I be ready to just tear people's heads off? Like with so much rage inside of me, And if you are one of those people, know there's a reason for that. Nobody is born angry. Understand that. You are not born angry. You are not born violent. You are not born um, just full of rage and aggressive and all these things. A lot of that shit come from the outside. It may have be your upbringing. Um, it's just a lot of things that play into that. So again, I'm proud of you for acknowledging that there may be something that needs fixing and you want to attack it. Your first step, if I would suggest, honestly, go to therapy. And if you are someone who feels like, oh, I don't need no damn therapy, because there's a lot of people like that. I don't need no damn therapy. I don't need no damn therapy. Um, get a journal. Definitely get a journal. Get a journal because it's gonna help you reflect on a lot of things, and it's good to write things down. I'm forever pen and paper girl. Like I don't even like I like the notes app in my phone. I use it, but I barely go to that. Like I much rather I will go find one of my books upstairs or something and just go through that. I would say start writing. Start writing. Start writing about how you feel for the day. Start writing about maybe you had a bad day. See what led up to that, you know? Start just really getting in tune with yourself and allowing yourself to feel. It is so important to feel, and a lot of people don't know how to feel because they suppress their feelings. Um, I want to say I was like that at one point, but I'm very vocal. I've always been a very vocal person. I'm a Cancer. I'm a Cancer woman, a very strong willed, fierce Cancer woman. I used to be very shy and timid growing up, like painfully shy. But I didn't have a voice, you know? But I found my voice, thank goodness. I found my voice very early. I want to say like 14. I found my voice very early because I was pretty much doing for myself at that point, and I was just like, nobody can tell me shit. I was very defiant too. Very defiant because you can't play with me. I always felt like that as a little girl. You can't play with me. Like, you know, I had to respect authority figures because, I'm a child, but I grew up very quickly. I grew up very quickly. And I'm gonna stop this because I feel like I'm making this about me and it's not about me. This is about you. Like I said, I'm proud of you. It takes a lot of strength. It takes a lot of courage. Yo, never did two of my nails just pop off, and I think one is stuck in my wig. Yeah, Big Mama is tired, but we keep going. This journey you are about to embark on, it is about to be one of the most life changing things. You are going to have a different perspective on things. You're going to learn so much about yourself, like so much. You're going to have to face some things. You're going to have to face some things. And baby, I'm going to tell you right now, before you even think about forgiving anyone, forgive yourself. Forgive yourself first. Forgive yourself first because you owe yourself that before you think about forgiving anyone else, because that's something you are going to have to do too. You're going to have to forgive people even if you don't get closure. You're going to have to forgive people for you, but the first person you need to forgive is yourself. Okay, don't feel shamed about nothing. Fuck the regrets. It happened. The past is the past. We moving forward. You have a very bright future ahead of you. Understand that you are deserving of everything you desire. Everything, but you have some blockages. You do. You have some blockages. And you're going to work through that. You're going to get through it because you're strong. You're strong. I already told you, like, you are the light. Understand that. You are the light. People see it. People see it. Trust me. People see it. It may be no funny shit. It may be the reason why you done went through some of the pain you went through because people see that light and it's so blinding. It's so blinding. It bothers them. The darkness don't last forever. The light comes back around. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. But you're gonna get yourself right. You're gonna get your mental right. You're gonna get healthy. You're gonna just start making better choices with everything in life, period. Like we getting older. We getting older. We getting older. No funny shit. Like I be so happy to age. Because it's truly a blessing. It is truly a blessing to like just live to see another day. It's a blessing to see a new age every year. I don't look my age. I don't look my age. And like I feel like I've been aging backwards. Like I lost mad body fat. I've made healthier eating choices. I be in the gym and I be minding my motherfucking business. And you about to do the same thing because everything you want is coming to you tenfold. I promise you. Fuck whoever counted you out. You about to work on you and do not apologize. You might have to get distant for a little bit. You might have to isolate. And that's okay. Don't apologize. Don't ever apologize when you getting yourself right. Please don't. Do not apologize. So again, clap it up for you because you are taking the first step. A lot of people they won't they won't because they gotta face some shit. They gotta face the real them. They don't want to do that. But you do because you want to be better. You want to be better. You want an abundant life, right? You want to hit them goals. You want that shit coming in abundance. And I promise you it is going to happen. It's going to happen, but you got to get yourself right. You got to heal so you can allow all those blessings to come in. You got to allow all those blessings to come in. And you're worthy of that. I promise you, you're worthy of that. You about to get everything. You about to get everything. But like I said, forgive yourself first. And whether you got to sit and write it down, write a letter to yourself. Write a letter to yourself. Start with younger you, then start with teenage you, because we got trauma. All of us have trauma. All of us, we all human beings for the first time on this shit. Like there's no manual to this shit. You understand? But it's okay. Like I said, everything be a part of the plan. The hurt, the pain, all that should be a part of the plan. I promise you. I promise you, you this tough for a reason. You strong for a reason. You fought tough. You built for this. You like that. So get to it. Get to it. I'm here with you. I'm a be here to be supportive, and let's do a discussion on live. Let's talk about that. I think that's what I want to do. I'm gonna be making these episodes. They're gonna be different titles, different topics. I'm gonna drop them earlier in the day, and then later that day we're gonna have a live discussion about it. I think that'd be really good. You watch the video during the day whenever you have time or whatever, and then later in the day when you're starting to wind down, we have an open discussion about it. I think that'd be really good. I think that's where I want to take it. No, because y'all don't understand. Like, baby, it it has been a lot of growth to be this peaceful. Like, I've been fighting all my motherfucking life. It's not funny, but nah, dead ass. Like dead ass. Like, yeah, nah, that shit is whack. Like, nah, like there's absolutely nothing that could disturb my peace. Absolutely nothing. Nothing. There's nothing I will allow to disturb this peace. This shit is priceless. This shit is priceless. And I need you. Like this is immediate. I need you to feel that. I need you to feel this peace. And I need you to get all the abundance that's coming to you. Cause baby, my life is beautiful. I kid you not. And you about to have one too. So let's talk later, all right? Because Big Mama tired. I'm not gonna hold you. Like, I'm falling asleep. Two nails popped off. I think one is stuck in my wig. Like, yeah, it's time for me to go to bed. I need to go wash my face, do my skincare routine, all that other bullshit. But yeah, let's talk about this later. I'll see you in the next one.